Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Club. Are you ready to improve your English speaking skills? Today, we're going to do an English shadowing practice. Shadowing is one of the best ways to improve your pronunciation, listening, speaking, and confidence. Here's how it works. First, listen carefully. Then, repeat exactly what you hear. Try to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Just keep speaking. Let's begin. Part 1. Morning Routine. Good morning. I usually wake up at 6:30. I stretch my body and drink a glass of water. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face. I make a healthy breakfast with eggs, bread, and fruit. After breakfast, I read a book for 20 minutes. Starting my day with a good routine helps me stay focused. Part 2. At work or school. I leave home at 8 o'clock every morning. I usually take the bus because it is convenient. When I arrive, I greet everyone with a smile. I enjoy learning new things every day. If I don't understand something, I ask questions. Learning is easier when you stay curious. Part 3. Talking with a friend. Hi, Emma.
How was your weekend?
It was wonderful. I visited my grandparents. What did you do there? We cooked dinner together and played card games. That sounds like a lot of fun. Yes, I can't wait to visit them again. Part 4. At the restaurant. Good evening. May I take your order? Yes, I'd like a bowl of chicken soup, please. Would you like something to drink? Yes, I'll have a glass of orange juice. Your meal will be ready in a few minutes. Thank you very much. Part 5. Daily Motivation. Every day is a new opportunity to improve. Small steps lead to big success. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes help you become a better English speaker. Practice a little every day. Believe in yourself and never give up. Now, let's read everything one more time without stopping. Try to speak together with me. Focus on your pronunciation, speed, and confidence. Remember, the more you shadow, the more natural your English will sound. Practice this lesson again tomorrow. Repetition is the key to fluency. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the English Club, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every day. See you in the next video.